This is a startup video of the York Diamond 80. Alrighty, I'll be back. Just keep on waiting.
Wow.
What? You chewing?
No. It's nothing. It's from the video.
There goes the inducer. Now we'll see for the burners. There go the burners. This is a 90,000 BTU York Diamond 80. It's oversized a little bit. 80,000 would be fine because this house has good insulation. But yeah, so we'll listen for the blower, which sounds really cool and heat. That sounds very cool. Alright, that's that. Blower's on now. It's hot. Oh, let's get it warm. That's cold and hot. I can't even touch it on you. That's cold because this is a return. So yeah, York Diamond 80. And use the condensate tray. It's tied into a 3-ton condenser, 3-ton core. Condenser size fine. Furnace should be an 80,000 but yep, that's it. 80% efficient. Builder's grade. And the water heater is also running right now. Look at that. Both the gas appliances in this room are running right now. Water heater, yes. This is an A.O. Smith 40 gallon, 30,000 BTU, or 32,000 BTU water heater. Gas. This is all natural gas, so that's that. York Diamond 80. House is about 2,000 square feet, plus a finished basement, but the finished basement's only about 750 because there's this crawl space under the family room here. So in the finished basement doesn't have any vents. So, all right, that's that. House was built in 2001. This furnace is also from 2001, as is the condenser. Condenser's a York Olympian. It's at my aunt and uncle's. Loud piece of junk, but anyways, I can still hear it, so. 68. I'm gonna turn it down now. She wants it at 66. See the rate temp just clicked off. It's actually pretty powerful. House is 13 supplies and 6 returns. Still running. This vent's clogged up. With the damper off to it, actually. Anyways, I'll show you the vent in the living room. These vents are all rusted. Blowing hot air out, actually. Yeah, this vent's disgusting. Right under the tree. Christmas tree. It's December 26th. So, anyways, that's that. I keep this one closed. I use the living room, but need a vent really in here. So, anyways, thanks for watching. I'm gonna go show you the flue pipe also. Here is the furnace flue pipe. It's all rusted and yeah, it's very cold out right now. So that's that. And there's the condenser. Little tiny York. There is a 3.5 ton York out there. That's that. Over and out. Thanks for watching.